Hey guys, welcome to another video. I want to feature this okra tree right here. I've got so many okras from this tree, and I mean it's growing so tall. And if you look up top, you got okras up there coming still. Wow, this okra tree has treated me so well. Over here I got the persimmons I've been picking. This is the last 3 that's left. They are so good, and they much bigger this year. I put the cover over them so bugs won't get to them. This is my grow box. Don't know what seed this is, but it wants to grow. Could be a cucumber, not sure, but it's too late for cucumbers. This is the pepper field or pepper garden. I've picked so many peppers this year, and they still coming. Look down here, they still coming. This is the ghost pepper, and over here is the Carolina Reaper. These are the Carolina Reaper. See them with the tail? Reaper. Well, this one is the Trinidadian scorpion pepper. I'm sorry. This is the Trinidadian scorpion pepper. Over here, you see no tail? This is the Carolina Reaper. And guess what's coming? Look. Sorrel coming at the perfect time. Look. Perfect time. Again, this is the okra tree I was telling you guys about at the beginning of the video. I have to use a ladder to pick okras. This one here is the purple habanero. I've been picking from it. It's just a few left. Over here I got some blossoming. Don't know how long, if I'll get them before the frost comes. This is the last tomato on the tree. I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna cut it down because this is the grapevine. Okay, this is where I have all the mulch. So in here I have chicken manure and horse manure. And ghost peppers all over this here. Scorpion. And over here I have Carolina Reaper. Back there is the passion fruit. I'm gonna put it on the trellis next year. We got June plums coming. Over here, look at how big this guava is. Nice. Look at these. These are some beautiful guava. I think I'm gonna, what is that? I think I might cover these up, put them in the bags. See how big they are? Look. So guava is gonna be ready pretty soon. It's just a quick update. Star fruit tree is getting big. Barbados cherry is getting big. I'm getting blossoms. Over here, blossom on the lime tree. I hope they hold. But just giving you guys an update. I'll catch you guys on the next one.